So if you saw the tune-up, we did this Rotel RVC240 on behalf of the trade. Just pop it onto 31. See what Mr Chippie is there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent.
Ready to go?
Yeah, roger. Just plug an extension speaker in. Is it that one? No. So it must be the other one. It is.
Right, we're passing Ringhouse and recording.
Roger on that. And I've got a tone control.
Roger that. So we're heading up the road towards Woodies. I can see the farmer ploughing his field on the right.
Excellent. There we go.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Yep, roger on that. We're spot on time today. Somebody in Heckington says they enjoy watching these videos and they'd love to be on the air when we do them. So I did say we do them between 7 and 8 o'clock in the evening, about 5 days a week, so you never know.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got your square word at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. I remember to take the lights off in that room that has a lot of interference from the expensive Swiss light fitting.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Oh, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Oh, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Rotel RVC240 from 1981 using 5M1 chassis, 441 altitude.
Yep, roger that, all received.
direction as to whether Grayleaf is going to be shot over.
Looking at the barriers, I think that'll be closed for a while. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Where have we got you at the Kelby turn?
Passing the Grayleaf's turn, over.
Where have we got you at the Grayleaf's turn?
Roger. Go 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now Ross below by.
Well, we got you at the 5.5 mile point, so once again we'll do one of these rather compromised tests because we're in better position to range than normal. So here we go. Are you ready to record?
Yeah, I'm already recording.
Well done, that. Excellent. Here goes then. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are back onto full for what's at 1.24 amps. Over.
Yeah, Roger, all received on full power. I didn't take it off auto squash, so you disappeared at on low power.
No problem at all. Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
What have you got you going over?
Yeah, same as it was, 155.7, 159.9.
Okay, Roger, that works fine. So thank you very much. 10-10.
To that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, same as it was, 155.7, 159.9.
Okay, Roger, on that, that worked fine, so thanks very much. 10-10. Okay, so off we go to our base station. That works absolutely great. Remember, this is a set. If you looked at the repair for the trade, no received part missing. It's the other dealer who's been looking at this has not spotted that, which is hard to spot. You know, these sets have been messed about with, and I think this has some FM noise crunch board fitted, and that's had to be removed, and you know, you just don't know always what's happened. So fresh pair of eyes, and you know, let's get it sorted. We'll go over to the base station, see what it sounds like on the standard replacement mic.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 with standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it onto low power. It's a hum test, if that's the right. No, that's the right switch, and I switched the PA, didn't I? And while we're at it, we'll just press the clear switch, see whether that makes any difference. Normal position, and that's in the clear position. Back to normal position, back to full 4 watts. And there we go. So I think there's a Midland 42 hand portable in this box of stuff. That'll be the next job. So thanks for watching Rotel RVC240 from 1981.